Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick pre-video on my plans for the JD 1050. If you've been keeping up with my videos, you know that I had a problem with the bucket tilt, and I had to take apart the valve and do a makeshift repair. So you can see this is a neutral position, and it goes quite a bit further back than it does forward. That's all I have for forward. So I strongly feel that this thing is getting ready to fail again. With winter coming, it's December 27th. I really want to nip this in the bud before it gets stupid. So trying to find this dual control loader valve system is just next to impossible, and the ones you can find are usually on an auction site somewhere for a stupid amount of money. Not going to do that. So it's time to upgrade. I got the parts yesterday, and I informally met a guy on a tractor forum who has done, he actually sent me pictures. He's done several of these conversions. So I have a brand new joystick control, 2-spool, 10 gallons per minute, and the only other thing I really needed to order was this power valve, you know, according to him. I'm not super up on hydraulics, so I joined the forum and I asked, and this guy was nice enough to, you know, PM me and email back and forth, gave me links and all kinds of things, sent me pictures of conversions he's done on, I think it was an 850, and he said it works fine. So this valve, and I'm not going to give you too much info until I'm done and I know that it actually works. I haven't even opened it yet. Is again a joystick valve. It's supposed to have a float. So there's going to be an upcoming video pretty quick, you know, time permitting, on the installation of this joystick valve. So again, just want to do a real quick video, let you guys know what's on the way. And yeah, again, it's December 27th, 2021. Hope you had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a better New Year. So keep watching for this video. And I'm going to have to make a bracket, depending on where I'm going to mount it. I'd like to keep it close to where the original one was, because I'm kind of used to that muscle memory thing. But yeah, we're going to go through the whole thing from installation to testing and so forth. But yeah, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk real soon. Take care now.